Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search for products on AliExpress using your smartphone. So whether you are looking for the latest gadgets, trendy clothes or unique accessories, AliExpress has it all. So let's see how to search for any items. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. In this home page, here you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now you can type in the name of any products you want to search for. Let's say I'll search for football jersey. As you can see, here's the list of football jersey available in AliExpress. You can filter your search results on the basis of price, on the basis of popularity, best matches, and other categories. You can also make a search using an image. In the search bar at the right hand side, you can see the camera icon. Tap on it. It will allow you to capture any items, or you can select a picture from your gallery. And it will display the related products. So there you go, that's how you can search for a product on AliExpress using your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.